Hi students, once again a hearty welcome from the Grace College of Engineering, which is located at Chuchu Green, and this is Beslia Angel, Assistant Professor at the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I am going to teach about parity checker and generator. This is a experiment for your linear and digital integrated circuit laboratory having the code of W8461, and this laboratory is for the second year students at their fourth semester. And let us enter into the experiment. So the ultimate aim of this experiment is to design 3-bit parity generator and checker, and also even parity generator and checker. And also we need to verify the truth table of the generator and checker circuits. So the main requirement are that is our apparatus are, so we need the digital IC trainer kit to construct the circuit diagram circuit, and for by using your XOR gate and the NOT gate with the help of your connecting wires. Okay, so before that, what is parity checker and generator? Let me discuss about it. If parity bit is used, if you consider the parity bit, it is used for a purpose of detecting the error during a transmission of binary information, and it is a extra bit that will included with your binary message to make the number of ones either odd or even. The message including the parity bit is transmitted and then checked at the receiving end for your errors. An error is detected if the checked parity does not correspond with the one transmitted. The circuit that generates the parity bit in the transmitter is called parity generator, and the circuit that checks the parity in the receiver is called parity checker. So uh, like based on this information, let me enter into the circuit diagram for your generator, parity generator. So you can have a expression for your odd parity generator, which is given here, and you have to construct by this as per this expression. So we are having the odd parity generator like this. So here we are giving a 3-bit as an input. So we need one XOR gate and one NOT gate to construct this parity generator. So after you are connecting this XOR gate and the NOT gate in your IC trainer kit, you have to give the supply as a 5 volt for A, B, C, and after that you have to make a LED at the output pin of your NOT gate. So that will indicate your output as P. Okay, so let us consider the truth table. If you give the 3 bits as a input, like 0 0 0 means your odd parity bit will be 1. Okay, so similarly when you give the input A, B, C as 0 0 1, your odd parity will be 0. Okay. And similarly you have to find out your output as a odd parity bit for 8 inputs, 8 input combinations. So those are given in this truth table. So for that you have to construct this with the help of the IC trainer kit. You have to place the XOR gate and NOT gate as per the circuit diagram in this breadboard, which is inbuilt in the IC trainer kit. So after that you have to give supply um, with the help of the trainer kit, which is having the port of supply, and which is 5 volt to your component. And also you have to make ground for all the component which is connected in this. You can connect every component with the help of your connecting wires or patch cards. If you connect the component in the IC trainer kit, means you have to use patch cards. If you connect the circuit diagram in your breadboard, means you have to connect all the components with the help of your connecting wires. Okay, so this is the construction part. We need to construct the circuit in your laboratory manual manner. Okay, so after that, when you have to verify this truth table by giving the input as per the 8 combination. Okay, because you are having 3 input bits, so you have a 8 input combination in order to get a odd parity bit. Okay, so similarly, we are having the even parity generator here. This is a circuit diagram for it, and here also we need a XOR gate. um, a single IC In a single IC itself, we can give the 3 input bits through the pin of 1, 2 and 10, and get the output at the pin of 8 of your XOR gate 7486. So at the 8th pin of your XOR gate, you are connecting a LED light to in order to verify your output as per your corresponding input 3 bit. Okay, so here when you are giving ABC as 0 0 0, your even parity bit will be 0, and likewise you have to give 8 combination input bits to your generator, and correspondingly we are getting this output at your 8th pin of your XOR gate in your even generator. Okay, so similarly we have the checker circuit and truth table. So here the uh, just the generator and the checker is similar to each other, but generator is useful at your transmitter side, and your checker is useful in your receiver side. So your receiver side, here in this circuit we are having a 4 input bit uh, for your odd parity checker. So similar to table will be used for this checker and odd parity checker and even parity checker as per your generators. Okay, so you can connect this circuit diagram as per your circuit which is given in your manual with the help of your IC trainer kit, and the component like XOR gate, which are shown in this picture. This is your XOR gate, and one more chip will be used for connecting your circuit diagram is not. So these are all connected in your IC trainer kit with the help of your connecting wires in order to verify your truth table of all the circuit diagram like generator and checker. That too for odd parity generator and even parity generator, and odd and even parity checkers. So let me uh, in order to understand the concept of your truth table and your circuit diagram of each circuit of this experiment, I'm going for the multisim software in order to verify the truth table, likely to understand the concept of this. Okay, so I'm just taking the multisim software. So to understand the concept of your parity generator and checker, here I am taking the multisim software in order to verify your truth table. Here I am taking the truth table of your generator, and I am construct the circuit diagram as per the manual. So here I am taking two XOR gate which is named as 74LS86 and one NOT gate from the place, component, and also all groups. Okay, so we are having the series of 74LS. From this I am taking this two uh, gates, and similarly I'm taking the constant value for giving the input for this gates. So I'm taking a LED probe for getting the output. Okay, so here I'm construct all the circuit diagram which is shown in our manual. So this is your odd parity generator and odd parity checker, and this is for your even parity generator and even parity checker. Okay, so I'm just I'm checking this truth table with this circuit diagram. So I just make the input as 0 0 0 for the odd parity, and similarly I'm taking the 1 1 sorry, I am also taking the odd parity checker input as 0 0 0. This is this checker will be very similar to this generator, but your input bits here is in your generator is 3. Here your input bit is here your in your checker is in your checker is 4 bit. So this is a different which are seen in your generator and checker. Okay, here I'm making the input in both the thing as 0 0 0, and here 4 0 will be given. So what is the first input is your odd parity bit will be 1, and similarly for your checker we are having this input for your checker. Okay, so after that I'm making the even parity generated as 1 1 1. So since it has the high value, so I'm making that even parity checker as 1 1 1 1. So generator and checker are same, but here I am taking 3 bit, here I am taking 4 bit, which is used in this. We are using the generators in transmitter side, and we are using this checker at your receiver side. So this is the difference between this generator and checker. So now I am going to run in order to verify the truth table. So here I press the run button, and in order to check the truth table. So here we are having 1. So odd parity is parity generator and checker is 1, and even generator is 1. Okay. This verifies your parity generator and checker. So this verify the truth table of your generator and checker. Here you are having the generator even parity generator, Here 1 and 1 will gives you 0 for XOR, and here we are having 0, and for this XOR gate we are having here 0 and here 1. So 0 and 1 will gives you 1 as per this truth table. Similarly, even parity checker, when you give 1 and 1 to this XOR, means here we are having 0 at its output, and similarly when you having 1 and 1 as a input for this XOR, means we are having 0 at this output, and both are 0, means that will be act as input for this XOR, and this XOR gives out the output as 0. Okay, so here your LED probe is not uh, it does not glow. Okay, that's why it does not glow. So this is how we can verify your circuit diagram of your parity generator and checker while you are designing it, and you must construct the circuit diagram in your IC trainer kit for this linear and digital integrated circuit laboratory. For understanding purpose, I am taking the multisim software to verify the truth table of each circuit of this experiment. Okay, thank you students.